Welcome to my channel, The Nutritious Bite. Healthy choices for healthier life. Hi friends. Before you think about detox drinks, expensive supplements, or trending cleanses, you need to understand one life-saving truth. Your liver is the most intelligent detox machine ever created. Every single minute, your liver filters your blood, breaks down toxins, balances hormones, stores nutrients, regulates cholesterol, and supports digestion. Without a healthy liver, no diet, no exercise, and no medicine can truly work. But here's the problem most people don't realize. Modern lifestyle silently damages the liver every day. Processed food, excess oil and sugar, alcohol, polluted air, chemical residues on vegetables, stress, lack of sleep, and even long-term use of common medicines slowly overload the liver. The scary part? Liver damage shows very few early symptoms. You may feel tired, bloated, gain belly fat, or experience dull skin, and never suspect your liver is struggling. Now here comes the most important question. Can the liver heal itself naturally? The answer is yes, if you support it correctly. Medical science clearly shows that the liver has a unique regeneration ability, but it needs the right nutrients to activate its detox enzymes. This is where specific vegetables play a powerful role. Not all vegetables detox the liver. Some directly stimulate bile flow, some activate liver enzymes, some remove heavy metals, and some protect liver cells from inflammation and fatty buildup. In this video, I'm not just giving you a list. I'm giving you complete guidance. Why these vegetables work, how they support liver detoxification at a cellular level, and how you can easily include them in your daily meals without drastic diet changes. These are science-backed, affordable, and easily available vegetables that support long-term liver health, not short-term detox myths. If you truly care about your energy levels, digestion, skin health, immunity, and long life, this video is for you. Make sure you watch till the end, because the last vegetable is one of the most powerful liver detox foods, yet most people either ignore it or consume it the wrong way, reducing its benefits. Let's now understand the 5 essential vegetables that naturally detox your liver and help it function at its best. Number 1 is beetroot, the natural liver cleaner. Beetroot is one of the most powerful vegetables for liver detox because it is rich in betaine, antioxidants, and nitrates. These compounds help the liver break down fats, reduce fatty liver risk, and flush out heavy metals and toxins from the blood. Beetroot also improves bile flow, which is essential for digestion and toxin removal. Regular consumption of raw beetroot salad or beetroot juice supports liver cell repair and protects the liver from inflammation caused by unhealthy diets. Number 2 is broccoli, the detox enzyme booster. Broccoli belongs to the cruciferous vegetable family and is packed with sulforaphane, a powerful compound that increases the liver's detoxification enzymes. This helps your liver neutralize harmful chemicals, alcohol toxins, and pollutants more efficiently. Broccoli also supports gut health, which reduces toxin load on the liver. Steamed broccoli or lightly stir-fried broccoli helps activate liver enzymes without destroying nutrients. Number 3 is spinach, the chlorophyll shield. Spinach is rich in chlorophyll, which binds toxins and heavy metals before they reach the liver. It also contains vitamin C, iron, and antioxidants that protect liver cells from oxidative stress. Spinach supports healthy blood flow and reduces fat accumulation in the liver. Adding spinach to smoothies, soups, or lightly cooked dishes helps your liver stay clean and energized. Number 4 is garlic, the liver activator. Garlic may be small, but it is extremely powerful for liver detox. It contains allicin and selenium, which activate liver enzymes responsible for flushing out toxins. Garlic helps reduce liver inflammation, lowers fat buildup, and improves overall liver function. Consuming raw garlic or lightly cooked garlic regularly strengthens the liver's natural cleansing system and supports immunity at the same time. The final and last vegetable is carrot, the toxin flusher. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene and plant flavonoids, which help the liver metabolize fats and eliminate toxins more effectively. They support bile production and protect liver cells from damage caused by free radicals. Carrots also help regulate cholesterol levels, reducing stress on the liver. Eating carrots raw, steamed, or as fresh juice provides long-term liver protection and detox support. Remember, detox is not about starving, it's about nourishing. When you include these 5 vegetables regularly in your diet, your liver becomes stronger, cleaner, and more efficient. A healthy liver means better digestion, clearer skin, higher energy, and stronger immunity. If you found this information valuable, like this video, share it with your family, and subscribe for more science-based health content.